Ever wondered why we sneeze? Sure, it's a common event, but there's a fascinating science behind it. Sneezing is a reflex. When irritants like dust or pollen enter our noses, the body responds to these invaders. Our brain sends a signal via the trigeminal nerve network, which triggers the muscles in our chests and throats to contract. This results in a sneeze, shooting out air and tiny particles at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. That's one speedy way to clear out your nose. Remember, sneezing is an important part of the body's defense mechanism. So next time you sneeze, don't be embarrassed, you're just protecting yourself. Try to remember to sneeze into your elbow, though, to keep those around you safe as well.